Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is going to be a spring rose look, and it's inspired by first day of spring, and I wanted to do something kind of subtle and pink and cut crease and pretty, so that's what I did. So if you guys like this look, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is take my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that comes with their palettes, and I'm going to take the fluffy side and I'm going to go into the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia, and I'm going to use the Dusty Rose color, which is just alright. So I'm going to take a little bit of that product there and I'm going to apply it on my brush, and then I'm going to go and crease. Alright, so next I'm going to go into the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette, and I'm going to use the shade Androgyny right here. So to apply that, I'm going to use my Morphe M505 brush, and I'm going to take that right below Dusty Rose. Okay, so next I'm going to go into the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia, and I'm going to be using Venetian Red. And you can see that I've hit the pan already because I've had this palette for so freaking long. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, so I'm gonna take that on a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm gonna go in there. Alrighty, next I'm going to use some concealer and a flat brush, and I'm going to cut my crease. So here we go. So I'm going to keep my eye closed so it doesn't crease. So I'm going to go into the Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to use the color Rose Pink, and it's this shimmery color right here. With that same brush, I went ahead and cleaned it off. I am going to pack on that color and start pushing it onto the lid. I'm going to go back into Venetian Red on my Morphe 506 brush, and I'm going to start going on the outer corner of my eye and blending that in. So I'm going to take my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to use Dusty Rose, and I'm going to apply that underneath my eye. Alright, so next I'm going to use my Tarteist liquid eyeliner in the color black, and I'm going to create a cat eyeliner liner. I just realized I wasn't recording, so I'm going to have to do it again on the other eye. Okay. Alrighty, so I'm going to use the pencil side of the Tarteist eyeliner, and I'm going to line my waterline. I'm going to take Androgyny on a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to go right underneath that eyeliner. So next I'm going to apply mascara. Alright, my mascara is on, so next I'm going to apply my Morphe false lashes, and these ones are called Secretive. Alright, next I'm going to apply Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Family Jewels. This is a gorgeous matte brown. It's beautiful. So I'm going to apply that.